my beautiful divas. In today's video, I am doing a Easter eye makeup tutorial. So the first thing that I am doing is taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, my favorite concealer ever. I am literally running out. I am scraping the tube, but eventually I will get a new one. But right now I just prepped my eyes and we are using the James Charles Morphe palette. We're sticking in this 5-color range, the purples and the pinks, and that lightest color pink is what I'm taking as my transition shade. You always need a transition shade. I feel like I say this in all my eye makeup videos. You need one. So I am taking the lightest shade out of the colors that I am working with. I'm doing a more pink and purple eye look, so I'm going in with a light pink color for my transition shade. So I have a very big lid. I have a lot of area to work with, so I drag mine up pretty high, and I'm coming in now with my second color. This is a hot pink color. You guys probably saw it in the palette. If not, rewind a little bit so you guys can see the 5 colors we are working with. But this is going to start adding depth into my crease and just to add more of a va va voom pink color. I love the hot pink. It's so pretty, and I'm just blending that out into the transition shade. I'm coming in with a purple pink color. Once again, it's in that palette. I'm just kind of going in order. It is a purplish pink color, kind of like a fuchsia, right? Fuchsia? I think so. But I am just blending that into my crease and also blending it up into the transition shade and the hot pink shade, just so everything blends well together. So you guys can see how that looks. And now I'm coming in with the purple. I am focusing the purple more on the outer corner, but I'm also dragging that color in and up where the transition shade is as well. So once again, everything blends nicely together. But I'm adding a little bit more purple so you can see that it's more towards the middle of the eye, so we have the outer part of our eye covered, so we don't just have an open gap. And now I'm taking a little bit of black just so we can deepen everything. I mean, I love adding black to my eyes. It just adds more of like a sultry look, but still having a colorful look in one, if that makes any sense. I just love adding black. Taking the 24 karat Jeffree Star Skin Frost palette, look at how much that sarcophagus color, I hit pan on it. It is my favorite, but we are coming in with that gold shade to put on top of the lids. I wanted to do kind of like a yellowy, pinky, purple look, kind of like a flower, perfect for Easter, but I just thought, ooh, this is like a really pretty yellow gold color. It would go perfect. So I'm just adding that on my lid, halfway, kind of like a cut crease, and I'm taking that same purple color and just kind of packing it over the harsh line. As you guys can see, there's a harsh line right there. We don't want that. You want to take the purple and you want to take the gold and blend them nicely together so everything is seamless. You saw that a little bit of the purple went over too far on the gold right here, so I take my gold brush again and I just mix it all together, and then it looks like it's blended and doesn't have any harsh lines like it did before. So definitely make sure that you are blending, blending, blending. That is key. And if you see any patchiness on that eye that I'm working on right now, for some reason my eyes are super dry. I'm not sure if I had an allergic reaction, but color is sticking on my eyes. Thank God I did a nice thick eyeliner, so it covered that up. And I also popped on some Lily lashes, my favorite. And I'm taking the color Sarcophagus in the 24 karat, putting that on my brow bone and my inner corner. This eyeliner is by Laura Geller, and I am just putting that on my lower lash line because we got to add some smokiness. So even though I'm taking the purple right here to match the top of the eye, because you want everything to be cohesive, and then I'm also taking a little bit of black just to blend out that black eyeliner, because once again, you don't want any harsh lines. And I love to take the concealer and just kind of clean up the side of the eye where the wing is so everything looks super crisp. I feel like that is key. I didn't do my face at all because my face routine is still the exact same. I haven't switched anything up, but for my new divas that have subscribed, if you want to see a face routine or an eyebrow routine, definitely let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are having a little bit of trouble getting your like gold color to pop, take a little bit of setting spray. I used the Morphe times Jeffree setting spray, and that really made the gold pop on my eye, kind of made it like a cream, and it worked really well and really made that gold pop. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, divas.